Stay there, Mr. Mummy. I got you. I got this. The patient is clear.
Hello, is everybody here? Hello. Hello.
Hello, YouTube. Eric DIY and Zach are here with another great review for you. Today we're going to review the Surviveware Large First Aid Kit. Zach and I are getting ready to check all our camping gear out because it is spring now and we do plan on at least getting into the tent as soon as possible. So the Surviveware Large First Aid Kit is just an amazing product to have. We've actually reviewed quite a number of first aid kits, including the Surviveware Small First Aid Kit, which is actually our go-to on our backpack. The small one was good, but I gotta tell you, once we checked out this one, this is not only for me and Zach, this is for the whole family plus, because that's how big it is. So we're gonna take a look at it. What you do to open it, by the way, you just unclip this right here. That keeps everything together. The bag itself is made out of this nice polyester threaded material. Keeps it nice and secure and also compact. On the back, they have 2 MOLLE straps. They also have reverse MOLLE straps here if you want to strap it through in a backpack or whatever you need. And on the front, they have Velcro MOLLE straps, again, to attach whatever you need. So, highly modular unit on the bag. When we open it up, it's huge. There's 2 zippers. And it opens up to a smorgasbord, right? Smorgasbord of first aid needs. And it's wicked big, but it's all labeled right here, so you can find what you need very fast. We're gonna start on this side, we're gonna work our way to the right. On the left side, we have eye pads, in case you hurt your eye and you have to shield it, you have a cut, if something really bad goes on with your eyes, you have eye pads. Cotton gauze swabs, which are for wound cleaning. We have a combine dressing for major wounds. Right there. We also have non-adherent wound dressing, so that way you can actually get that wound all patched up and make it so that you can attach the burns or abrasions with minimal, I should say, minimal injury. Wound closures right here, so that's just on the left side. When we go in the middle, they have a detachable CPR kit, including the directions right here on how to use it. Comes with a CPR mask that you can put on, gloves, and antiseptic towelette. So hopefully you don't need it, but it's there. That includes this big removable bag. It's like almost a mini first aid kit. So you can actually take this out of the bigger kit if you're not going that far. And it has bandages, Q-tips. It has another CPR kit in there. You can see right through there. It also has some dressing right here. It has baby pins right here with a pair of gloves, bandages underneath that, and also a small pair of shears. So the kit itself even has a smaller portable kit to take out in case you're just going on the trail really fast away from the campsite. So that is an excellent feature. Hang on to that. Inside the middle bag, you have more safety pins. You have an emergency whistle. We'll let Zach try that out. Go ahead, bud. There you go. So if you get lost in the wild, you can find it. You have tweezers on the side here, high quality tweezers. They have conforming bandages right here. They have pressure bandages for wounds, sprains, snake bites, whatever you need right here. Wound dressings right here for major wounds. Medical tape right there, it's hypoallergenic, so that's awesome. They also have triangular bandages here, which you can make into a sling. You can have a pressure bandage or you can have a head bandage. So that's what's in the middle section. On the right side, you have gloves, and there's multiple pairs of gloves. So again, this kit is large because it's meant for a large number of people or uses. It has skin cleaning wipes for hygiene, antiseptic wipes, prep pads, hydrogel for burns and scalds, which is always nice to have, especially if you're doing campfires. Emergency blanket for shock or hypothermia, and also a larger pair of high quality shears. These look to be able to cut anything you throw at them. And finally on this side, you have some splinter probes. Chopping firewood to get a splinter, no problem, that splinter's coming out. Finally, you flip this over and it has a place for your personal items, and they even include a first aid guide. Hang on to that. They also have little bags for personal medicine. They have bigger bags for more personal items. And they also include an instant ice pack. Excellent for those soon-to-be Little League baseball players. I should say T-ball. He's starting T-ball soon. So if you got hit with a ball, use an ice pack to help you out with your bruising. How's that? All right, nothing wrong with that. So I know that this first aid kit, I've said camping, but honestly it's got multiple uses. We're definitely going to keep this in my vehicle so that way we can have it available for any type of things. And we'll also take it with us camping, right?
Yep.
Because this thing's huge. This thing will probably last years for us at least.
And we're going to maybe camp in the summer.
Yeah, so like I said, we're getting our equipment, we're looking it over and looking ready. Inside the actual thing, they also have a special gift. You can get up to 20% off when you use their code at checkout when you buy this. So they tell you where to go. It says go to Amazon. We're actually going to leave a link below to Amazon where you can purchase this Surviveware large first aid kit. It's amazing. One last thing about all the products in here. You drop this in a river or something, the bag will repel water. I've actually seen these bags float on water. And not only that, but everything in this kit is either sealed in plastic or it has plastic reclosable bags. So therefore, if this gets wet, you're not going to have any problems. Everything that is not in bags is basically stainless steel, like these tweezers or the shears. So in the wild, this thing's great. You got a big family, you have a multiple family camping trip. This first aid kit will take care of everyone in your family. This is our new preferred first aid kit because of the massive size of it, the quality. It also has a reflective material on here, so if you're in the dark, you can find it easier, by the way. And Surviveware, you've done it again. Your small first aid kit is the one that we bring on the trail, and your large one's going to be there for larger outings, camping, and also taking just around in the car, so we have one in the car. If you'd like to purchase your Surviveware large first aid kit, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please push the subscribe button below, and while you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate everything you do for us. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.